This Wednesday, the Federal Reserve are meeting and making their interest rate decision. Now, if you take a look at the NASDAQ, we see some very interesting information here on Seasonax. In the 2 days leading into the Federal Reserve interest rate meeting, the NASDAQ has a bias for gains, 61.25% winning trade percentage, and an average gain of 1.5%. That exceeds the average loss of 1.31%. So straight away we can see leading into the event as a bias for upside in the NASDAQ, and out of the Federal Reserve interest rate meeting event, we see a bias for the downside with the average loss being 2.20%. So that means in the interest rate meeting, we've got the NASDAQ here around all-time highs on the monthly chart. And if you look at the expectations in the short-term interest rate markets, it's nearly 95% chance that the Fed's going to cut by 25 basis point, an outside chance of a 50 basis point cut. And markets will be looking at the summary of economic projections, which will be released on the September meeting, and in particular, the 2026 outlook on the dot plot is going to be in keen focus. Do the Fed see interest rates at 3% or lower? If that figure is, high for the projections, if it comes in sort of 3.5%, then we could easily see some significant downside in the NASDAQ. And that will be in line with the seasonal bias out of the Federal Reserve event, which favors downside. Remember, don't just trade it, Seasonax it. Sign up here at Seasonax. We can get access to literally thousands of seasonal insights that are just waiting to be revealed.